The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, this video that I'm doing, I'm going to call this video Funny or Not. You see it? In this video, I'm going to present to you random videos that are out on social media, and you can let me know which of these videos you think is funny or not funny. And I'm going to put a number in front of each and every one of these videos so that you can easily identify which video you think is funny or not funny. And I'm presenting these videos to you because these videos are out on social media, and comments had been made about these videos on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons think that some of these videos are funny, while some persons do not think that some of these videos are funny. You see me? And I might give you my opinions or point of views about some of these videos while I'm presenting these videos to you. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present these videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here are the videos. Take a look and observe with me.
I'm simply tired of people being jealous of me because of my looks. God made only one me, so be happy about me, baby. I am gorgeous, I am amazing, I am everything. So stop being jealous because she is me and I'm her.
Viewers and subscribers, I respect this person. This person seems to have a lot of self-esteem, or you could say high self-esteem and self-love. You see what I say? And I respect anyone who have that amount of love for themselves. Trust me, I respect this person. Let's take a look again and observe.
Get it together, baby. Because I'm a thundercat. Thundercat. I'm me.
Thundercat. Yo! No, sir. Them the foot that they all over the place. I mean, those feet are all over the place. Chano. Yee!
Oi, squat. Hey, foot too straight, you know. Squat. Hold up head. How we are do? Man, you have dirt of the police vehicle, you know.
That not normal, you know.
Oh, damn!
Well, on the viewers and subscribers, hold on. I really a man thump off a woman and miss and end up almost or might be hurt himself. Eh? Me no respect that. And to be honest, that video there, me no find it funny. The number 5 video, me no find that funny none at all. You see? Some persons on social media seems to find it funny, but me no find it funny. But you can let me know what you think. Take a look and observe with the viewers and subscribers.
Hang in there, buddy.
You got this, buddy.
This is funny, not funny.
It's scary.
You see what I go on this, viewers and subscribers? I really on the side of one. I don't know if a hill or a mountain that me for call it, but that look dangerous to me, you know. No man, that not funny, that not funny. This not funny none at all to me. You see me I say? Yeah, some of the times it's not viewers and subscribers. Some things when me see some people really find as fun on social media, it make me wonder what's going on within this world. Now this person seems to be in danger, you know, man. You see me? But anyways, you can let me know what you think. And listen carefully to some of the things that the person or persons are saying in the background of the video also. Listen and observe.
It's really pretty here. This is a lesson in what. This is why you follow your instructor.
Okay, so you guys want to see me wash my hands. Turning on the water. Adding soap. Scrub, make sure I get the soap everywhere. And I can do this without getting my fingers wet, you know. Soap on the nails. Yes, they get a bath too.
Viewers, subscribers, it's when it comes on to tall nails, you see me? I always question personal hygiene. You see me? When it comes on to tall nails, I always question personal hygiene. You see me? I wonder if it affects those who wear tall nails. I wonder if it affects them when they go in the bathroom or they are in the kitchen. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I wonder how them wipe the counter. You see me? But anyways.
Get them wet. I'll move to the side so that I have enough room. Wash between the fingers. And then rinse. Rinse the nails. There you go.
Don't get me wrong, you know. I don't have a problem with anyone wearing tall nails, you know. You see me? As a matter of fact, I find some of them, you know, like they look cute or them look good. You know, I like to see some of the tall nails, them, you see me? Now, these ones, I think they're a little too tall or maybe a whole lot too tall. And I'm not saying this in any disrespectful way, you know, but I'm just telling you my opinion or point of view about those lengths of nails that I'm looking at. You see what I say? But I'm saying this without disrespect. You see me? But anyways, this video is out on social media. Some person seems to find it funny, and you can let me know what you think as well. Alright? Now, here is the rest, and we just keep moving on with videos as well. Listen, look, and observe.
Lisa, your friend come at us and come buy food. Say him boyfriend give him bank card for come buy food if we have machine. See bank card that way husband give him. Yeah, Lisa. So why you see must order out a bank card? Oh, well let me tell you something. A tricky man tricky a piece of paper that is not a bank card. Here?
Viewers and subscribers, and a real, me I go tell you the truth. Some man, well, me never say some man, some people not easy at all. You see me, some things when me see some people do some people some of the times, it make me shake me and me just wonder what really I go on. You see me I say? I mean, you listen to some of the things that the person in the background of the video say to the other person in the video me just presented to you, and I'm talking about video number 8. Eh? Anyways, me can move on to video number 9, yeah? Take a look and observe with me. And by the way, I don't think that video is funny to me. I don't think it is funny. Observe with me.
Yeah, you call this current in a man's body, you see me? Yeah, click the switch. Yeah, you see me? I talk about click back the switch on. I saw the thing say. You see me? Yeah, you have to come ask me how it go. I just naturally. Yeah, naturally, but I don't know why you. No. Just turn on. Yeah. You see me? Naturally.
Viewers, subscribers, let me tell you something. You see, I have one thing where them say is a lamp. You know, a friend give it to me and say is a type of thing will look like a bulb, and them say them use it to perform some form of magic trick or something like that. You see me? But really and truly, it look like a bulb, but it's a lamp. You understand? That we're seeing at that person's hand, the thing we're seeing at the person's hand, you see me, it seems as if it's the same thing what me did get. You see me? There's a switch at the top of it where you squeeze it right up at the top. Yeah, there's a switch at the top of it. When you squeeze it, it light up. You see me? I say so. this person might make it look like, or it seems as if this person is implying that him have current in his body. But really and truly, if that is what he's saying, I don't believe it. So make we move on to the next video. Observe with me. Heels. You call them the heels. You understand? Yeah, man, I heels. Them sharp heels too. Alright, observe with me again. Alright, let me try to remember this good now. Lieutenant Stitchie is sing a song where say, young girl, wear your size. Right? Now, me look on this video and I wonder if me wrong or me right from the starting of this video, from me I look on the starting of this video. I am wondering, and I'm guessing at the same time, that the person you see in the video leaning on the vehicle, the person seems to have some form of problem with the shoes that the person is wearing. You see me? But we're going to take a look on this video. We're going to look on this video properly and observe and see why and what's really going on. Observe with me. Viewers, subscribers, again, me I gonna say this, me feel say and the shoes make this person lean on the vehicle, you know. Observe with me again. Don't me tell you, Don't me tell you. You see me? Yeah, the person seems to want to sit down a long time, like the person just wants somewhere to sit down, probably to take off those shoes. I tell you. I can move on to another video right about now. Observe with me. Alright. So, first thing I wonder, where in this world that vehicle is on the road? Which country? The next thing I want to ask, I want to know if this vehicle have fitness. You see me? I'm wondering if this vehicle have fitness. And I'm also wondering if this vehicle had been registered. You see me I say? Now, me not say the person have no fitness, no registration, and me not discriminate, but really and truly, all the door I drop off of the vehicle. Make us see, cause the last thing me I really and truly tell you, so me I wonder right now, me I wonder if this vehicle really I drive. So make us look and observe now. Viewers and subscribers, and are real. Some of these videos, I think that some of these videos are funny. You see me? And on another hand, I do not think some of these videos are funny. You see me? You can let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. You see me? I say, yeah, I saw these videos on social media and comments had been made about these videos on social media, you know. Some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons seems to find some of these videos to be funny, and some persons seems as if they do not find some of these videos to be funny. Alright? I present these videos to you so that you can have a look at them. You can tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think some of these videos is funny or not. You see me? Or if you think the whole of them funny, or if you don't think the whole of them is not funny, or so on. You can tell me what you think. And you know, I think, you know, some of these videos, I think that some of these videos are funny, but you know, I see where some of these videos show some things that I think is just not funny at all. You see me, I said to you? Yeah, and here's where I'm going to leave it, you know, viewers and subscribers, and to each and every one, do not try the things that you see in these videos at home. Do not try it. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.